Newer Simplicity lawn tractors have this cool toggle on the dash that controls the height of cut. And what actually makes that happen on the deck is a little electric motor. From time to time, those fail and we need to replace them. So we're going to accomplish that task today. Let's see how we replace the motor on the deck. All right, here is the motor assembly on our deck here. Mine has not failed, but I got a few comments um, with individuals whose motor has failed, and they're like, I'm not quite sure looking at this thing how to take it apart. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, this is a bit tricky because we've got a pin here holding the assembly on this bracket here, and it looks like there's no way to get it off. But in actuality, this side plate here is clamped in place with this bolt here. So we're going to take a 9/16 wrench and loosen that up. So the other side is a carriage bolt, and it's held in place. So Simplicity makes this rather convenient. As long as you hold that with your fingers, it won't spin on the carriage bolt side. All right. You see we get that nut off. This side piece completely removes. So now that pin can rotate out of the way there. All right. Once that back piece is removed, we have to remove this mounting pin down here. So on the other side, we just have a simple cotter pin. Pull that out. Slide that pin out. There you go. Our motor assembly is out. Put the new one in, reverse the procedure, and you're good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Hope that helped you out. Obviously, the deck has to be off for us to do this. You could try to attempt it in place, but it's much easier if you pop the deck off. These Simplicity mowers make that process quite easy also. I've got a separate video on that. You can subscribe to my channel, look at my other videos, and I've got a first service on this Simplicity Regent with deck removal to walk you through that process so you can get at this motor better and replace it. Adios.